Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, February the 18th, 2014. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and found the best ones that stand out to me. I discussed what it was about the news that caught my attention, and also discussed their stock trends. We tried to make this show around a 10-minute time frame, but we've got a lot of good news today. I've got about 10 companies to go over, so I'm going to get right to it and try to get this moving along. The first company I wanted to talk about today is Nia Power. Nia Power announced that they're pleased with the consumer demand for their Generation 1 buzz bar technology, that their production underway and expected to ship early. I forgot to mention that Nia Power is an AGORACOM sponsor. Just need to get that out of the way. Again, this is very good news for the company. They provide proprietary power solutions, and this buzz bar is their Generation 1, and they've closed out with the orders received to date, and their second generation is already under development. So they have some very good news there. Their stocks, they trade on the OTC bulletin board with the symbol NPWZ. Nia Power Systems is the company again, and you can find the press release on their website. So the next company up is Goldreach Resources. Goldreach Resources announced they've increased the they've increased by 87% their global measured and indicated resources at their seal deposit. 92% of the measured and indicated resources fit within a constraining pit shell. This is from their 100% owned UTSA property, which is located adjacent to the operating Huckleberry mine in British Columbia. So again, they had a very significant increase to their resources there. The Seal Global Resource contains 1 billion pounds of copper equivalent in the measured and indicated categories, and 2.4 billion pounds of copper equivalent in the inferred category. Their global measured and indicated resources have increased 87%. Just looking at the stock now, stock is flat today on 27,000 shares trading at $1 a share. It's a patchy trader. This company needs some audience building, so I can't give you a good idea of what I see in the stock chart. GRV is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Beaufield Resources. Beaufield Resources and their partner Melkior Resources had drill results out today from their Laune gold project in Quebec. Very good numbers there. 10 meters of 6.20 grams per ton gold in their drilling, and they had a 2.85 meter intersection of 7.70 grams per ton gold as well. So they're getting some very good intersections there. I'm interested in the fact that as they go deeper is where they're getting their best grades, and so I'll be interested to see them do some deeper drilling on that project. The Beaufield Resources stock is up or is flat today, trading at 5 cents a share on 48,000 shares traded. This one's stock is it's not a super active trader, but the trend looks like it's bottoming, and would like to see it start to break out from there a little bit. BFD is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange, and their partner Melkior Resources, they trade around 3 cents. They have a very similar stock chart. MKR is their stock symbol. They also trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Tinka Resources. Tinka Resources had drill results out from their Ayahuilca project in Peru. They hit some very good grades of zinc, 36 meters of 5.93% zinc and 22.8 meters of 5.80% zinc. So some very good zinc numbers from this project down there in Peru. I'm just looking at the stock right now, and it's up a half a cent, or sorry, 5 cents to $44.50. That's a 12% move today on 211,000 shares of trading. Just looking at the stock chart right now, it's been under a lot of pressure for the last year. It seems to be trying to find, it looks like it may have found a bottom in late January, early February, and since then it's broken out quite nicely. Like to see a little more confirmation of that, but very interesting stock chart. TK is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Scorpio Gold. Scorpio Gold had drill results out from their Mineral Ridge project, which is in Nevada. They had some nice grades in there, 9.21 grams per ton gold over 9.14 meters at the Mary LC zone, again part of the Mineral Ridge project in Nevada. They had other drill holes in there. You can find the detailed table with all the various different results on the company's website. Just looking at the stock right now, and it's up 3 cents today, which is a 10% move, trading at 32 cents on 343,000 shares of trading. I really like this stock chart a lot. It bottomed back in early December. Since then, it's been on a very powerful move. Right now, it's trading above its 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages on very solid volume. This is a good-looking stock chart, and this company is one that I could see myself talking about on the Friday show. Having some technical difficulties here. My cursor doesn't seem to want to move anymore, and this is making talking about the next company a little difficult. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over. I'm sorry for the delay here. I'm just going to switch over to my other computer, and we'll continue on from there. SGN, I'm just pulling up their stock right now. SGN stock is up, as I said, 3 cents today. Their stock symbol is SGN, and this is one that I could see myself talking about on the Friday show. Next up is Fortuna Silver. Fortuna Silver Mines had drills or had an update to their reserve and resource calculation. Their silver in inferred resources increased by 26%, and their gold is up 36% year over year. This is from their Caloma and their San Jose mines. Caloma is in Peru, San Jose is in Mexico. Had some very good numbers there. They increased their proven and probable reserves quite significantly, and then they also increased their inferred resources at both projects by 22% and 36% respectively. So some very good numbers and increases in Fortuna Silver there. The stock's down a penny today to $5.03 on 335,000 shares traded. Stocks had a very powerful move since the December lows. Got down to as low as $2.70 in December, and now trading over $5 is quite a phenomenal move in a very short period of time. I like this company a lot. FVI is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. Next up is Timberline Resources. Timberline Resources had very good drill results from their, they had some drill results out from their Highland project, which is in Montana. They had 6.8 meters of 10.96 grams per ton gold from that drilling. They had another intersection of 6.22 grams meters of 6.50 grams per ton gold. So they're getting some very good drill results there. Stock today is up a penny to 16 cents on 2,800 shares traded. This is a patchy trader. This company needs some audience building efforts quite significantly. TBR is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Silvercrest Mines. Silvercrest Mines had drill results out from their Mexico project. They had Santa Elena is the name of the project. They had 11.6 grams or meters of 5.83 grams per ton gold and 232 grams per ton silver, including 1.15 meters of 21.7 grams per ton gold and 572 grams per ton silver. These were not isolated holes. They had several others there. You can find a complete table with today's press release and some very good information in there. The market liked what they saw. The stock's up 9 cents today to on 440,000 shares trading, and it's trading at $2.93 right now. This is a very powerful chart as well. Higher highs, higher lows. I like what I see a lot. Silvercrest was one of my picks that did very well for me in the contest that I did with George called the Tax Loss Selling Contest. I like Silvercrest a lot. SVL is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Impact Silver. Impact Silver had drill results out from their San Juan project, which is in Mexico. Had some very good drill results there. 3.19 meters of 10.34 grams per ton gold. So very nice looking numbers there. They had some other intersections that look quite promising as well. You can find that table on the company's press release. The market really liked this news today. The stock is up 10% or 8 cents a share to 86 cents a share on 227,000 shares of trading. This is another really good stock chart since the December lows. Higher highs, higher lows, trading above its 2050 and 100-day moving averages on very good volume. This is definitely one that I could see myself talking about on the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. The final company, Impact Silver is IPT on the Venture Exchange as their stock symbol. And the final company today is Probe Mines. Probe Mines had another very good batch of drill results from their Borden Gold project in Ontario. One of the highlight holes had 7 grams per ton gold over 39.5 meters from the Borden project. Those are very good drill results, and they were not isolated. They had others there that look very promising as well. For example, 16 meters at 12.4 grams per ton gold, had another 12.6 meters of 11.4 grams per ton gold. This is a very exciting new discovery that I've been watching for a while and really liking what I've been seeing. Talked about the company a lot in the last little while, 6 months or so, and it's really delivered exceptional gains in that time frame. Today it's up 4 cents to $3.29 on 160,000 shares of trading. Been on a spectacular move since April. Was trading down around $1.20 back then, now trading north of $3, trading on a very solid bullish trend. I like what I'm seeing from the drill holes on this company. I like what I'm seeing from the stock chart. And I think I could be talking about this one on the end of the week show again. PRB is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's all the news for today. Had a big show today because we had lots of news, so I probably went over the 10-minute time frame. I can't apologize because I enjoy being able to talk about a lot of companies. On that note, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. We do our news show Monday through Thursday, and you can find that on agoracom.com or on my website at alanberryreports.com. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.